After President Donald Trump's highly praised State of the Union address, broadcast to over 40+ million Americans, Joe Kennedy gave an response that was overshadowed by an odd background featuring the remains of a car wreck and an apparent overuse of lip balm. But during the actual speech, Kennedy said one thing that quickly turned him into America's biggest hypocrite. "Build a wall and my generation will tear it down," Kennedy stated boldly. Well, he'd have to start with his own estate first. Joe Kennedy's Palm Beach, Florida mansion, now on the market, has sprawling walls surrounding the property. Looks exactly like the big, beautiful wall Trump wants to build around America. Now isn't that funny? Kennedy owns a wall that's an ideal border wall, yet trashes the president for wanting to build a wall that looks like the one Kennedy has. Can you get any more hypocritical? Even more interesting is that this estate is only 6 miles from President Trump's Mar-a-Lago, or the Winter White House. In addition, the history surrounding the Kennedy family's protection is quite steep. Famed 6-acre Kennedy compound with 3 homes on the Hyannisport waterfront often had extra layers of police protection due to tourist curiosity surrounding the Kennedys. Perhaps they wanted the illegals off their property? It's unclear if these walls and border protections were morally reprehensible in the eyes of the 37-year-old Kennedy. He also added, "We choose the thousands of American communities whose roads aren't paved with power and privilege, but with honest effort, good faith, and the resolve to build something better for their kids." Building something better apparently doesn't include walls.